Look at it. Hey, how y'all doing? Welcome to 1K Yellow Diamond channel. If you're all about fun, food, and family, then you popped up at the right place. Okay, you guys, here is all the ingredients you will need to make the pickle bread sandwich. Yes, we not only making the pickle bread, we also making a whole loaded sandwich. So let's get to making it. Okay, first we're going to take the pickles out of the jar. We're gonna take the pickles out. So we got the pickles out of the jar. Next, we have to make sure we absorb all of that liquid from the pickles. We don't want any of that pickle juice as much as possible. Next, we have to grate the cheese, the cheddar cheese. Okay. Have the cheese all grated up. Yes, so we're gonna set that to the side. We have the pickles here in the napkin, and we're going to use some parchment paper. We're getting ready to do the pickle bread. We're gonna lay some cheese down. Gonna lay the pickle. Put the cheese on top. It's just like a loaf of bread. Now we're gonna put this in the oven until it melts, turn golden brown, and I will say for about 15 to 20 minutes at 400 degrees. Okay, you guys, the pickle bread is done. Look, we have let it cool off for about 10 minutes. Now let's get it out of the pan. Okay, we're gonna cut it in half. Wow, look y'all. Look at that. That's the back side and the front. We're gonna put mayo. You're gonna do lettuce. We're gonna do tomato. You're gonna do onions, banana peppers, Cajun chicken, some turkey, mesquite turkey, pepperoni, mustard. Top it off with the top layer. There you go. The delicious pickle bread Italian sandwich. Let's cut into it and see. Good. Look at it.